Let us start simplification class 4, question number 33. From question number 33 onwards, there are several questions based upon numerical ability only. Means only digits or numbers will be there, no language will be there. A bit of language can be used, but these all types of questions are based upon algebraic formula. Some algebraic formula must be remembered by you, as a plus b whole square equals to a square plus here a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Again, a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, or this formula is written like this as well: a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. This is again a minus b whole cube equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Note down. Some formulas are to be remembered by you, and I think you all must remember this formula as well. You have already remembered, since this is the basic level situations of the algebraic formula. You have gone through these all formula in class 6, 7 perhaps. Now, some questions are asked for several last years. Means 15 years back, 20 years back, you can say. Based upon this formula, that means a cube plus b cube upon a square minus ab plus b square equals to a plus b. See question number 33. This is totally based upon this formula only, and the question is 213 whole cube plus 117 whole cube by 213 whole square, 213 whole square minus 213 into 117 plus 117 whole square. This is your question. That means, see here, if the question is this, certainly you can solve like this. 213 whole cube can be pointed out, 117 whole cube can be pointed out, then both must be added. Here 213 square can be pointed out, here 117 square can be pointed out, here 213 and 117 can be multiplied, then this will be plus and this will be taken out. Certainly you will be getting the right answer, but a lot of time will be killed here. But you remember here, technically this question is totally based upon this formula: a cube plus b cube by a square minus ab plus b square equals to a plus b. That means a is 213, b is 117, and you got the answer here. This is 330. This is your final answer. Note down. That means you have to see the hidden matter behind that question, hidden formula behind that question, and you got as well. This is the hidden situation. That means if the question was this one, certainly the answer will be only a plus b. Now, question number 34. This is also the same question, but this question is in expanded form. See here, 588, 412, 412 plus 588 into 588 into 588 divided by. This is only in expansive form. 588 into 588 minus 588 into 412 plus 412 into 412 equals to what? That means, see here again, this is also again a cube plus b cube by a square minus AB plus B square, and this happens only A plus B. This is your formula. That means you have to get the answer of this question. Certainly A will be 588, B will be 412. This can be reversed as well. A is 412, B is 588, and add, that means 549 and 1000. This is your final answer. Note down. Question number 33 and question number 34 are exactly same, but the first question was in concised form and the second question is in expensive form. That means question is expanded here. Now, coming to question number 35. See, question 35. This is 315 whole cube minus 215 whole cube upon 315 whole square plus 315 into 215 plus 215 whole square. Now you have to point out the value of this. That means, see here, this is A cube minus B cube by A square plus AB plus B square, and this happens only A minus B. This formula must be applied here, seeing the situation. That means, see here, A is 315, B is 215, and you have to point out the value of this. That means A cube minus B cube by A square plus AB plus B square is A minus B, and A is 315, B is 215. After subtraction, this is only 100. You got the answer. Note down. Thus I solved here question number 36 to. Now coming to question number 37. Exactly 36, sorry. Coming to 36. 36 is exactly the same question but in expansive form. No need to write the details here. Only you should apply the formula. Question number 36 can be written as here: 218 whole cube, 118 whole cube divided by 218 whole square plus 218 into 118 plus 118 whole square. See, your question is exactly the same. I have written here. That means question was in expansive form. I made it in concise form. That is 218 whole cube minus 118 whole cube by 218 whole square plus 218 into 118 plus 118 whole square. That means it is on the basis of A cube minus B cube by A square plus AB plus B square. That means answer must be A minus B. This is 218 and 118. That means your answer is only 100. Note down. Question number 36, answer is 100. See, question number 37. 37 is very much important question and it has been asked since 20-25 years back. 1 minus 1 by 2. This is important for SSC as well as railway. 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 4, dotted lines, and 1 minus 1 by n. See here, if you solve this, certainly you will be getting 1 by 2. If you solve this 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. If you solve this 3 by 4, and n minus 1 by n. Certainly see here, this is all will be cancelled here and you will be getting 1 by n. This is your final answer. Note down. This 2 will be cancelled by this 2, this 3 will be cancelled by this 3, this 4 will be cancelled by this 4, 4 will be coming here from the next term. 1 minus 1 by 5 is 4 by 5 and so on. Now, the next question is also exactly the same. In place of minus, there is plus. In place of minus, there is plus, 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 plus equals to Wow. This is question number 38 and you have to solve this question. That means 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 is here, 4 by 3 is here, 5 by 4 is here, and so on. N plus 1 by n is here. That means this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled, and only remaining n minus 1 by 2. This is your final answer. N plus 1 by 2, n plus 1 by 2. Note down. Thus you got the answer of question number 38 as well. Now come to next question. Presence of mind should be applied in the next question. Presence of mind to be applied here. See, question number 39. 8.1 whole square minus 16.2 into 3.1 plus 3.1 whole square equals to what? See here. This is completely based upon a square minus 2ab plus b square equals to a minus b whole square. That means this formula is in hidden form in this question. A square plus b square. See here. This is your a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. That means the next step of your question is this, and certainly you can see here a square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and this is now only 5 whole square, and this is exactly 25. That means you got the answer of this question. This was the formula to be applied here, and I applied this formula. Here 16.2 was the product of 2 into 8.1, that means 2 into a, and b was already there. That means this section is only minus 2ab. Thus you got the answer of this question very simply in the form of a minus b whole square. A is 8.8, b is 8.1, b is 3.1. That means a minus b is 8.1 minus 3.1, that is 5, and you have to have the square of 5. That means 5 square equals to 25. Note down. Now coming to question number 4040. See question number 4040. This is very much important and very tactful question. Before you, this question has been asked in LDC, DEO, the SSC inter level. Okay, 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 42 plus 1 by 56 plus 1 by 72 plus 1 by 90. See here. The nature of this question is totally based upon the consecutive products of the numbers. That means 4, 5, 5, 6 and so on. That means there will be 4, here will be 9, 10. That means answer will be 10 minus 4 by 10 into 4. This is 4, this is 9 into 10. This will be your answer. That means this is 6, 2 by 2, 6, 2, 3 by 20, 3 by 20. This must be the right answer coming, 3 by 20. Of course the answer is 3 by 20. See here, as I got the answer of this question within seconds, that means you can also have the answer of this question within seconds. For this you will have to solve this question going through the basic way first, then you have to remember the hidden points in this question. Certainly I am showing you the exact and detailed solution of this question. See here, there is one way to solve this question. You have to get the LCM of all these and then calculate, but that method will kill your time extremely. Too much time will be killed. That means no need to have the LCM of this. That means if the question is taking very much time through the basic method, certainly you have to watch and wait. There must be some hidden technical points. If you point out that technical point, certainly the question will be solved within short span of time. See here, you have to point out the two factors of this. You have to point out the two factors of this. so that after multiplication of the two factors the result is 20 and the difference must be equal to this much. That means this difference must be equal to 1. That means for 20 you have to point out 4 and 5 as factors. See, 4 and 5 equals to 20 after multiplication. 5 minus 4 equals to 1. That means you pointed out 4 5, a smaller than bigger, a smaller than bigger. 4 5. Again this 5 6, 6 7 ja 42, 7 8 ja 8, 9 ja 9, 10 ja. That means in such type of questions consecutive numbers are taken in order to ease the solution of the question. But if there is one gapping, certainly you can't solve the question so easily. That means if this is 4 5, this is 11 13, this is 15 12, like this, you can't solve very easily. You will have to take their LCM generally. Now I am writing this as 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5. Calculate this. This is just equal to 1 by 20. That means I have spreaded 1 by 20 like this. I have written in expansive form 1 by 20. That is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5. See here, you solve this situation. 4 and 5 LCM will be 20. This will be 5. This will be 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 by 20 is the accurate value of this solution. That means certainly 1 by 20 can be written as like this. Certainly 1 by 5, 1 by 6. This will be 1 by 6, 1 by 7, and so on. 1 by 7 minus 1 by 8. Similarly, I am writing all the points here, all the terms. 1 by 8 minus 1 by 9, 1 by 9 minus 1 by 10. Now see, all this will be cancelled due to the same amount, but plus and minus, negative and positive. Certainly you are with only 1 by 4 minus 1 by 10, then LCM will be 20. 4 5s are of 10 2s are, you got the answer 3 by 20. But firstly note down this complete explanation, then no need to follow this method. I will be giving you technical approach. How technical approach must be applied here. Certainly you will have to know and remember some points. I will be telling you just right now. Firstly you copy down. That means in such type of questions you have to have two factors of the given number, so that after multiplication the number be got and the difference must be equal to the above value. That means that was only one there. Okay, now see about this question, learn about this question, what to do. Very easily you can reach the answer. This is 1 by 20, 4 5 5 6 30, 42 5 6 6 7, 7 8, 8 9, 9 10. This was your question. See here, in order to have the technical answer, see here, firstly you have to think about two factors of the given number. This will be 2 into 10, 4 into 5, 1 into 20. You have to pick up only those two factors that have the difference 1 as well. That means this will be only 4 and 5. See here verbally, this is 4 and 5. This will be 5 and 6. 6 into 7, 7 into 8. Go ahead, 8 into 9, 9 into 10. The bigger. Here a smaller will be picked up. There the bigger will be picked up. Okay, that means now you have to have the difference of these two and the multiplication of these two. That means you are getting the answer 2 3s are 20. Only this you have to do. Write down very fairly as I have written here. Note down. Now The next question is question number 41. That is also exactly the same, but there may be a bit of change in the situation. You have to pick up that situation. What is the minimum change there? Okay. Now coming to question number 41, and 41 is, see here, 1 by 35, 5, 7, 7, 9, 9, 11, 9, 11, 11, 13, 1, 4, 3. Is this the last? No. 13, 15. See here. Again, the question is exactly the same, but there is a bit of difference as well. You have to point out the factors here: 5, 7, 7, 9, 9, 11, 11, 13, 13, 15, like this. But see here, after the multiplication of 5 and 7, you get here 35, but the difference of 5 and 7 is only 2, and there is only 1. That means your difference must be only 1, and that is never possible here. That means if 5 and 7 are the factors of 35, so that 5 into 7 is just equal to 35. You are getting the difference of 5 and 7, that is 2. That means here would have been 2. Okay, see here. That means you have to write down the question like this: 2 by 35, 2 by 63, 2 by 99, 2 by 143, 2 by 195. If you write this situation like this, certainly since you multiplied all the terms by 2, you will have to divide all the points by 2. That means this is just adjusted now. See here, 2 will be taken as a common, that will be cancelled by this, and the same situation will be remaining now. That means your question is like this, and now you can solve. This is 1 by 2 extra, and here will be the smaller term, here will be the bigger term, 15 and 5. That means again to apply the same trick, 15 minus 5 by 15 into 5. Now get the answer. Answer will be, this is 10, 10 will be cancelled, 1 by 15 remaining only, and this is your answer. The question is exactly same, but the situation was a bit different here. That means the difference of 5 and 7 must be 2. Here would have been 2, but here is only 1. That's why I multiplied each and every term of the sequence by 2, and to adjust, divided all the terms by 2 as well. See here. In your examination, here the difference of 3 has also been asked. Here the difference of 4 may be asked. If the difference of 3 must be here, suppose this is 5, this is 8, here 40 be there, this is 5, this is 8, certainly you will have to 1 by 3 into 3 all the terms, and then not done. Now question 42. Now question 42. See, 42 is like this: 2 power n minus 1 plus 2 power n plus 1 equals to 640. You have to point out the value of n. See here. For this situation, you have to remember this formula. You have to take the help of this formula. That means if a to the power x into a to the power y be there, certainly the result will be a power x plus y. And if a power x divided by a power y, result will be a power x minus y. See here. These are two formulas. That means here 2 power n minus 1, here 2 power n plus 1. That means this is smaller, this is bigger. Now if you take 2 power n minus 1 as a common, this term is totally taken as a common. Certainly in place of that, in bracket there will be only 1 plus. After multiplication of these two, this will be got. Certainly, see here, the base is 2 into, that's why here must be base 2. If the base is 3 in the next question, certainly here will be 3, then you have to write here 3. The same base must be taken, so that this formula will be applied here. That means 2 power n minus 1 into 2 power what? Listen to me. 2 power n minus 1. See here. 2 power n minus 1 into 2 power what equals to 2 power n plus 1. This what to be pointed out, and I am answering you. This what will be 2. This what will be 2. See here. If you put here 1, the base will be same, and here is a sign of into. That means this 1 n minus 1 will be added, and you will be getting only n, 2 power n. However, here should have been 2 power n plus 1. That means if you write here 2, match 2 power n minus 1 into 2 power 2 equals to 2 power this plus this, and that will be n plus 1. Okay. See here. 2 power n minus 1 into 2 power 2 equals to 2 power n minus 1 plus 2, and this is 2 power n plus 1. That means 2 power n minus 1 equals to, see here, verbally I am calculating here, this is 5, this is 5. 5 must divide 640 in 5 12 ja and 5 8 ja. That means 128 times. Now 2 power n minus 1, this must be a number based upon the power of 2, as here is the base 2. That means 2 power 7, 2 6 power 64, 2 7 power 128. That means base will be cancelled, n minus 1 will be 7 and n will be only 8. This is your final answer. Note down. The question is most important. You can tick out there. Now the next question is exactly the same. Next question is exactly the same. That means you are solving now question number 43, and that is based upon base 3. Same situation. 3 power n minus 1, 3 power n plus 1 equals to 810, and you have to get the value of n. Similarly, 3 power n minus 1 will be taken as a common. There must be only 1 remaining, and this will be 3 power 2, so that after solution of these two, certainly power will be n plus 1. This is 810. Now 3 power n minus 1 equals to, this is 10, 0 will be cancelled, only 81 will be remaining. 3 n minus 1 power equals to 3 power 4, base will be cancelled here, n minus 1 equals to 4, n equals to 5. Note down, 5 must be the right answer of this question, and that is so. Note down. See. Next question is 44. Next question is 44. See here. This is a square, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dotted lines up to 20 square equals to given value 2870. And then you have to answer 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square plus up to 40 square equals to what? See here. There are 3 major formula to be used by you, are used by the examiners. First formula is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n equals to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. And the second formula is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square plus up to n square equals to n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. You must write down this formula. And the third one is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, dotted lines, n cube equals to n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Firstly, note down all this formula. I will be deleting all, dusting all the formula here, erasing. See, presently the question is this equals to this, and you have to point out the value of this. But there may be one question as well. The question is asked several times. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 20 square equals to what? Equals to what? Answer will be 2870. How? You will have to use this formula at that time. See here. If this is equals to what? Certainly n equals to 20. 20 into 21 into 41 by 6 equals to 2870. You can see here 20 into, if this is asked what? Certainly 20, 21, 41 by 6, 3 2 ja, 3 7 ja, 2 10 ja, multiply 7, 7 4 ja 28, 10. Okay. That means sometimes question setter asks you only this equals to how much. Okay. But presently the question is based upon that result. That means the result of that situation is given to you, and based upon that you have to point out this value. Certainly in such type of questions no need to use the formula written here. You can use the formula and solve the question, but no need to use the formula. You have to deal this question technically, tactfully. How is it? Listen to me. See here. The first term is 1, the first term is 4. That means this is 4 times. Here also this is 2 square 4, this is 4 square 16. That means 4-fold. Here also 4-fold, here also 4-fold. That means in such type of questions, when this is asked totally based upon that one, certainly each and every term will be exactly the same fold everywhere. That means each and every term is 4-fold here. That means your answer will be also 4-fold. You have to multiply this only by 4. You will be getting the right answer. Nothing else to do by you. 0. 4 7 ja 8, 28, 4 7 ja 28, 2 remaining, 112 to 114. This must be your answer. 11480. See, 11480, 11480. Of course, this is the answer. That means after using formula, by using formula you can solve the question, you can reach the answer. You must be reaching right answer. This is 11480, but no need to have the help of that formula. You have to adopt here technical approach. Certainly technically you have to think here, that is, this is 1, this is 4 times, this is 4, this is 16 4 times. Each and every term is 4 times. That means result will be also the given result into 4. Given result into 4. Now come to next question, that is question number 45. That is question number 45. This is also exactly the same question. 45. Now this is 1 square 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to 12 cube, and this is just equal to 6084. Now you have to point out the value of here 2 cube, 4 cube, 6 cube and 24 cube. Each and every term will be exactly in the same fold. That you have to point here. See here, this is 8 times here, again 8 times here, again 8 times here, again 8 times here. That means your result will be also 8 times here. 8 4s are 32, 8 8s are 64, 67, 8 6s are 48. Thus you got the answer of this question 48672. That is of course the right answer. Note down first. Now coming to the next question, that is of another type. See here, the question is written like this: 5 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 3 equals to what? This is called vulgar fraction. See here, there are three types of fractions. 4 by 7 is a fraction. 2 4 by 7 is a mixed fraction. And this is your vulgar fraction. vulgar, vulgar fraction. vulgar means awkward फ्रैक्शन मीन्स जो देखने में बहुत खराब लगे. वल्गर मीन्स ऐसे नियमता आपका अश्लील होता है, ठीक है, लेकिन इस जगह पर हम लोग जो यूज करेंगे अश्लील का सेंस यही है इस जगह पर कि ये ऑकवर्ड लगे, देखने में बहुत बेकार टाइप का लगे. दैट्स व्हाई दिस फ्रैक्शन हैज बीन नेम्ड वल्गर फ्रैक्शन. ओके, if you solve this question by written each and every method writing way, certainly there will be lots of time to be used in order to solve this question. But if you solve this question without writing, you have to make understand yourself only. Certainly the question will be solved within seconds. See here, you have to go through bottom to top and perfectly you have to remember the solution whatever you are doing here. Okay, see here, listen to me, you have to see only, no nothing will be written here, only answer will be written here. Okay, after some time, see here, after the solution of this is 4 by 3, of course you solve. This is 3 plus 1 4 by 3. How fast you can solve? This is 4 by 3, see here, this is 4 by 3. After reversing 3 by 4, 3 by 4, then 3 by 4 plus 1 is 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 7. This 4 by 7 will be reversed 7 by 4. 4 by 7 reverse 7 by 4. And then this will be 11 by 4. And that will be reversed 4 by 11. This will be removed. And you will be getting the right answer. That is 4 7 by 11. Answer is 4 7 by 11. See here again. This is 4 by 3, this is 3 by 4, this is 7 by 4, this is 4 by 7, this is 11 by 7, reverse 7 by 11, this will be removed 7 by 11. Answer. If you solve through the basic way, you will have to write time and again. Again, see here, the next question I am writing in extra. See here, 6 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 equals to what? This is your question. Okay, see, this is 3 by 2. After reversing 2 by 3, 2 by 3 will be 5 by 3. After reverse 3 by 5, this will be removed 6. 3 by 5 will be your correct answer. This is your answer of this question. Okay, that means such type of questions will be solved by you without using your pen. Certainly you have to see the question and calculate verbally. Wherever be reversed, you have to do reverse situation. Certainly go ahead till last. Here will be two types of situations. Here only will be two types of situations. That means if this is plus, you have to solve only this. Plus will be removed. You will be getting the final answer. But if this is minus, in next question will be, if this is minus, there will be some another way to solve. You can see here. See here. If this is minus now, see here only. If this is minus now, that means you are getting the answer of this question. See here. This is another question, not numbered here. Okay. See here. This is 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Reverse 3 by 4. Add 7 by 4. See here. 4 by 3. 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 7 by 4. 4 by 7. 4 by 7, then 11 by 7, then 7 by 11. That means up to here 7 by 11. This is your answer. But if this is plus, certainly plus will be removed and you get the final answer there itself. But if this is minus in this situation, certainly the difference, tell me the difference of 7 and 11, 4 by 11, and you have to reduce this 5 by 1. That means this will be only 4. This will be your answer of this question. That means this is your answer of this question. You may write here 5 minus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 3. You write this question as well, and the answer will be this. Exactly the same way we have to proceed, but at last here, that means you have to use this way. That means you have to, if there is a sign of negative at last here, you have to have the difference of these two, that means 4 by 11 remaining, and this will be lessened by 1 only, that means 5 minus 4, 1. If this is less than this one, what I have said you have to maintain only that one. Okay, that means if this is less than 1, this is less than 1, certainly you have to have the difference of these two, that is 4. This will be remaining, and this will be lessened by only 1, that will be 4 here. Okay, that means thus you got the answer of such type of vulgar fractions solution. That means very easily you can solve any vulgar fractions without using your pen. If you use your pen, certainly time will be killed there, lots of time will be killed there. Not only time will be killed there, lots of time will be killed there. That's why in order to solve the vulgar situation, vulgar fractions in your question, certainly go from bottom to top verbally. Firstly calculate, then reverse, then calculate, then reverse up to last. And if this is plus, plus must be removed, you get the final answer. If this is minus, get the difference of these two, the below one exactly the same, and this will be lessened by only 1, that will be your final answer. Just have a nice day today. Simplification class 4 is ended here. Next will be coming in class 5, simplification for English medium, from next question onwards. Thank you.